Kawaida. We're just checking dancing. Kidogo tu. Good morning, good now, good afternoon, good evening, good day to y'all. How you feeling? How you feeling? Me, you can already tell how I'm feeling. I'm excited, checking, adrenaline could do. Sindio, I'm just happy because I'm here with you guys. You're here with me. I'm alive. I'm on this side of 6 feet and I'm well. Sindio, kuna mtu mahali anatamani kusonga. So shukuru kabisa, count your blessings, man. You're blessed, you're alive, you're well, enjoy. Sindio, yeah, inspire someone. At least if someone sees you living life, they might want to keep fighting. Sindio, for another day. So, karibuni to Lolwe TV Fitness. You know how we do. You know how we do. I'm Shajirani, I'm Sha mom, I'm Sha dad. But while you're at it, songeshanga viti. Yeah, you can drag them on the floor to yeah, my name is Afrofab Fitness Kenya. That is me. That is where you can find me. So we'll get straight into it. We are warming up. Songesha mikono, songesha miguu. Leo ni mikono. Leo ni mikono. Yeah. We all want good hands, good arms. We all want to look good. Senior. Alright. But you can't forget the legs. Let's make sure you're moving. If I'm moving too fast for you, that's slow enough. Yeah. If that is too much for you, this will do. As long as you're active. Uko tu sawa. Sindio? Alright, let's go. Stomp, stomp, stomp. And smile. Sindio? Go wide. Let's go. Now we go. Our first exercise, we call it bat wings because they're chasing the bat wings away. So, my feet are wide. If you have good balance, you can stand with them together, but I prefer mine apart. So mikono ziko hapa. Alright? Unasukuma mbele. It's like you're flying, yes? From the side they look like this. Yes? It's like you're pushing. You'll feel it in your back, mostly your arms, your abs. Yes? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we go. Palm front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and smile. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and back. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Down. 1, 2, 3. I know it runs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and rest. I know it burns, yeah? Check it out, check it out, check it out. Kawaida, active rest. Hey, the DJ fell. The DJ fell, but sisi ni nani? Bado tunaendelea. Now, we're doing something. We'll switch it up kidogo. I know you know what this is. Yes? So we'll box. Sindio? Punch kidogo. Remember when you throw, twist your body. This is how it look like. I'm in this position. So when I jab, my body twists. Yes? Twist. Again. Twist, alright? Sindio? So we'll go for 10 each side. Then we'll switch sides. Then we go Other side. I'll maintain the side posture. Alright, we'll start with the left. Not my stronger side, but who's complaining? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, slowly. 2, 3, 4. Your other hands, chin your chin. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sawa. We switch. Now I'm facing you. Now I'm facing you. You know what we're doing, yeah? So, again, it goes here. You protect your face. Imagining you're out there, you have to protect yourself. Kinga suwa yako. So, here we are. But you're peaceful people. This is just for exercise. Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1. My hand goes straight ahead, not up here, not down here. It's straight ahead. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright? Sasa tunajua ni nini tunafanya. We can go faster. Alright? I think I'll be nice. I'll talk to the DJ to change the music. Yes? I think. Let's get faster. Yeah? We know what we're doing. Remember, your hands go here. Protect your face. Sawa? Aya. This time we start to the right. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That wasn't so hard. Pande mwingine, pande mwingine, pande mwingine. Count yourself out. Sawa? We're going for 10. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was easy. Yeah? We're working on the hands. Mikono tu. Active rest. Ha. It's coming for the legs now. This is what we're doing next. Your hands go here. Balance, Nani. Balance. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and switch. Ha. Coupe. Ha.
Are you ready to dance?
Yes. Are you ready to switch? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on. Hey. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. My mic is falling off, man. But no matter, that doesn't mean we're stopping. We keep going. We keep going. Yeah? This is your active rest as I fix my mic back. Hey. You pretty have that move again. Okay. I'm ready. Alright, let's go. Back to the beginning. No. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on. Hey. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That wasn't so hard. That wasn't so hard. That wasn't so hard. Ha. Who said working out is boring? Nani alisema? Ha. This side. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Measure. Ha. You know what it is. Grab your water. Grab your neighbor. Grab your sister. Call who you need to call. Hey. Hey. Let's stop moving. Yeah? Sasa tunaingia mambo ingine. Tunaingia mambo ingine. I'm still fixing this thing, man. think I'm becoming too vigorous. Naruka sana. Yes. Okay. Now we have it fixed. I'm easy. All right. Now we do another simple move. We're on the spot. Now we. It's like a sachet, no, but make sure you pull. Wait, better yet, you can hold on to it. I'll demonstrate using my water bottle. You can improvise, by the way. So if you have, yes, it helps you to go lower. Sawa? Kwa sasa, I hydrate, then I put the bottle. So we're going for 15 each side, all right? Are we ready? 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 8. You know what it is. This side, yes. 3, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hey, where are we? I'm feeling good. I don't know how you're feeling. Please let us know in the comment section. Lolwe TV Fitness. Let us know how you feel. Let us know which exercise, which movement was your best. Yeah, your comments, even if you just want to congratulate us or just to say hi or just to, ask. Ask questions. We'll always answer your questions. So this is us, Lolwe TV Fitness, Afrofab Fitness Kenya. Karibuni sana. Tuendelee. Sindio? Tunarudia side dips tena, by the way. Let's go. 2, 3, and smile. 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Always find time to enjoy the little things in life. Celebrate your wins. Yeah? You've done 15 side dips. You've done 30 side dips. You've done side dips. Celebrate yourself. Kwani nini? Enjoy. Ishi maisha. Live this life, man. Celebrate your wins. You've drank 1 bottle of water. You've drunk half a bottle of water. You've drunk water. Celebrate it. Small things. Start celebrating the small wins. You get to the big ones. Sasa, tunaanza huko juu. From the bat wings, yes? We want to fly. Remember how we started? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, high buns, 8, 9, and 10. Nyuma. Who's all the negative energy? 3, 4, 5, zikae nyuma yako. 7, 9, and yes. How you feeling? How you feeling? Nachoma, nachoma. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Active rest nani. No, those hands kidogo the all types of beauty. Hi, nimevoluta. But it's alright. You know what's coming. Now we go. You know what's coming. Hata to demonstrate. Sasa hii tunafanya. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bonus. Bonus. Yes. So now, hey, how you feeling? Mimi na hema. Hey, tumalizie moja ya mwisho. Just one last one. I promise. I won't add anything. So now we'll do what we started with the other time. So elbow, all right? So 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, smile. 6, 7, 8, 9, and switch. Sindio? Hey. I'm still in with me though. Sindio, with the new you, love yourself. It all starts with you. Then you can spread it to other people. Tuende tumalizie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slow it down. Sasa. Thank you. That is all I wanted to say. Thank you. Danny, I know you're waiting for a big studio. No, you guys are special. Thank you so much for tuning in. Each and every time you see Lolwe TV Fitness, you tune in, you share with your friends. That is so extra. Yani, you're being, what do them say? As I like to say, what do them say? So thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for your continued viewership. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for always supporting. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for all the links to add, remove, kitu yote. Maswali, unauliza, everything you want to suggest. Yes, I was looking for that word. Yeah, those are welcome too. Find us at Lolwe Fitness. Still trying to catch a breath. Lolwe TV Fitness Kenya on YouTube. You'll find the past episodes. There's a lot of content happening there. So wezi maliza, you can host a workout party with your friends. You can just ikumotivate tu, ujipate siku moja tu utajipata ukiworkout. So because our moves are pretty simple, so don't be afraid. You never know until you take the first step. And I always insist, be the change you want to see. So it's from me, from Afrofab Fitness Kenya, signing out. Lolwe TV Fitness. Sisi wao, tumeenda. Hapa tunatoka tukidance. Hapa tunapenda furaha. See you again next time.
Okay.